Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today is going to be the drawing for the next Fort Worth Fabric Studios mystery quilt. I have all the papers. There were 17 people that literally wrote, so all I did was fold it into fours, just a piece of paper, just 17 of them, and put them in here. I'm going to go ahead and draw one because my granddaughter is sleeping. She's working nights now, so she can't help me out. So I thought I would do a drawing. But before I do the drawing, I wanted to talk to you real quick about a new quilt subscription box that I'm going to be doing in July, which is next month. Now, I'm only going to tell you that the lady who has the box, her first name is Natalie. I'm not going to tell you anything else. I will tell you at the 1st of July when they ship. And she tries to put everything in the box so that you can make the whole entire project. She has, it's called open subscription. So the way that works is right now, if you were to go to her website, you could not just order the box and get the subscription. So what you got to do is you got to put your name on a waiting list. Yvette does the same thing with her channel. She does it because she does English paper piecing. That is not open all year round. She opens those subscriptions every so often, and then you get to join it. So that's what this lady's doing because she's new to the subscriptions. I just got on the website and I looked, and in her case right now, today, June 24th, Saturday. So I went on her website, and you can do a gift box and or a subscription box. So you can gift one of the boxes if you like it. Now she has her past boxes so you can have a look at it to see what kind of boxes she puts out. I looked at them and she's got some really neat boxes. Nothing of course like anybody else, so this is totally different. And like I said, I'm going to tell you more on probably Saturday next week or the first Saturday, but she puts her boxes out on the 1st of the month. You have to have your order in by the, I think, and I don't quote me on it, but I believe you have to be subscribed by the 20th in order to get it shipped out on the 1st, if I'm not mistaken. But I went ahead and I looked at her website. It's pretty neat. She has fabric also to sell. So let's go ahead and we're going to do our drawing. And I want to thank everybody that has written in and actually made a comment, said you wanted the kit, because I don't take just everybody's name that makes comments. I want to know that you really want it, because it's okay to make a comment. I have made comments on others when they had giveaways, but I didn't want to be in their giveaway because I would rather have somebody else have it than me. Anyway, let's just go ahead and you can see I did them so that you can see that there's actually something written on them. You know, I never thought about this, but I guess you could put fake ones in there, but you can see I have writing. So I went ahead and they've all got writing on them, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to pull one out of here, and good luck to the winner. So let's see who it is. Lucky number 13, Kari Living Good. You didn't know that was going to be your lucky number, did you? There you go. Okay, congratulations. And I'll get it out as soon as I can. As soon as it's announced on the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Facebook page, that's when I can tell you what it is. Of course, you'll know what it is by then, and send it out to you. Okay, thanks everybody for participating. Give me a thumbs up, make a comment if you'd like to congratulate Kari, and I do believe that is how you spell it how you say it, even though it's got a K. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Alrighty, so I had to add this little bit because my editing won't let me put my email in there for you to send me your name, your address, and your phone number. So that's why this has been added at the end, and I want to thank everybody that watches my videos all the way to the end. You never know when I'm going to throw something in there. Okay? Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.